Good morning, you guys. It is 7 a.m. on Tuesday, and we are up bright and early because we wanted to see the Ferrari be painted today, which I'm really excited about because it's not something you normally get to see. So shout out to the body shop for letting us come and pretty much watch the whole process be done. And we also figured you guys would also want to see that, so that's what we're doing. But Clayton is taking his sweet time to come out. I'm not sure what he's doing.
Hey, morning guys.
Took you so long.
Sorry, I'm still waking up.
How'd you sleep?
Great, just not long enough.
Just not long enough.
I need another 5 hours.
We are back at Dealership Central, but sorry, I can't really see where we are because the sun is blinding. This is why I don't get up early in the morning.
Yeah, dude.
Is it back there, or is it back that way? Through that door. Okay, cool, thanks. Yeah. All right, so she is getting prepped for paint. This looks kind of cool.
So yeah, he's masking it all off, making sure the paint goes where he wants it.
Perfect, and he's got the hood this way. Just, oh man, this is so cool. I'm so excited. I don't know what angle I want to get. I kind of like this lime tape look.
Lime green accents?
Lime green accents, yeah. We are getting the GoPro situated. We're gonna get some time lapses for you guys. It's gonna look cool. I'm so excited. If you guys remember, this side skirt was a pretty bummer. A lot of paint came off right here.
Oh, that's right, like a huge section.
Yeah, a huge section right there, and then pretty much all along the bottom, paint came off. But it's nice and smooth now. It's gonna look really good in a little bit. So right now he's putting some spot putty on some pretty heavily chipped up areas. Pretty cool. All right, so we are not allowed to touch anything because it is all prepped.
Prepped and ready to go. He just cleaned it all, and now he just explained everything to me and I forgot it all. There's just a bunch of things going on in the car.
Yep, so he's all suited up out there. He's gonna plop on in here and do a bunch of stuff. We're gonna switch over to the time lapse, so enjoy, you guys. Meanwhile, we're just back here having a grand old time while waiting.
Guys, I just learned something new. He just told me that there's no actual just like true black. So he has the black paint, but he's mixing in a ton of yellow. Apparently a Ferrari's like black and yellow. Crazy. And now he's mixing in like a maroon red. It's crazy. There's black, yellow, red, all these different things that make the Ferrari black. Guys, this guy is so knowledgeable about paint. He just is like listing off facts after facts after facts. Painting is insane. There's so much to it. So he just taught us why there's no true black. There's like pigments in everything. So he just added like red and yellow to the base coats and all that. And I'm coming in here to turn on the GoPro. All right, so he's about to spray the base coat. So he's obviously got to cover the gray in black. So he's gonna spray the front end, he's gonna spray the hood, the side skirt, all that, and then he's gonna do clear next.
So he is about to do the first layer of clear coat, which is really exciting. It's what we've been waiting for all morning. I'm gonna try and get you guys the best view that I can through this window. It's kind of dirty though. now it has to bake.
Yep.
Right?
For like an hour.
Okay, cool.
Lunchtime.
So we're gonna go get lunch. Let's go. Okay, so we just got back from lunch and the baking process is done. So we get to go in and see. So check out the car. Woo.
Wow. This is so good, man.
Wow.
It'll look even better tomorrow. Yeah, slice it. I'll pull it out.
So we're getting ready to pull it out of this booth. I don't know where it's going, but we really wanted to get it coming out of the booth because I think that would be really cool.
That's awesome, man.
Wow.
Some people get like nervous. This is insane. It looks so good.
He did such a good job, and it's not even done yet.
It's not even done yet, and it looks. Oh, dude, it's amazing.
Yeah. So this spot was all chipped up. All of this was chipped up. Not anymore.
Man, I can't believe how good it looks.
Yeah,
it looks so good.
It looks so much. Well, I mean, yeah, it looks how it's supposed to look.
Yeah.
Wow. It's like a mirror. Jeez. All right, guys, you can see what the car looks like without the back bumper on momentarily, which is pretty cool. You can see the exhaust back there, Fab Speed exhaust. That is one big bumper. Now, the reason why they didn't take it off completely is because the radar is pretty much hardwired to the whole car. So that bumper is pretty much on there for good.
Yeah. Guys, again, I cannot believe how good the Ferrari looks. Like, obviously it's gonna look better than it did before, but I did not think it was gonna look that good. And the painter, Jaren, said that by tomorrow it's gonna be completely buffed out and it's gonna look even better than that. So I literally cannot wait. We just opened the paint booth right here. We opened the doors to the outside and they're gonna start it up and we're gonna pull the Ferrari out so that it can cure overnight before he buffs it tomorrow. All right, Jaren, everyone's watching. Let's see the cold start. Looks so good.
It's not even done yet. It's not. Sounds good too. Thanks, Fab Speed. That looks good, guys. So we're gonna awkwardly follow him to the front of the building. All right, so we are pretty much done here today at Karl Malone. Jaren, the guy that painted the Ferrari, fantastic job. Can't recommend them enough. They're not paying us to say that. Truly, out of my heart, they did a fantastic job. But I guess we're gonna head back up to the shop.
A long drive up there. Hey.
We got a package.
Is this it? Oh, nice. We got a package. Got the mail vlog.
Mail time. What is that? Dora the Explorer? Or was it?
Blue's Clues.
Blue's Clues.
Mail time, mail time. That's all I know.
I don't think that was right, but. Do you know what it is?
I do know what it is.
Oh, so it's a secret for us?
It's a
All right, sorry. Numeric racing.
Numeric racing.
Okay.
Some of you may already know what this is. Most of you probably won't, but you will in just a second.
Okay.
This is the beginning of the interior mods of the Cayman build.
Oh.
Paper.
Paper.
That's it. More paper. You guys know what it is yet? No? All right, let's keep going.
It's a car part.
It is a car part, yeah.
That looks like the thing you put on a snowboard.
A binding?
Yes.
Close, I guess.
The shifter?
So this is the numeric short throw shifter kit for Porsches. It's like all billet aluminum. Look at that.
Whoa.
Yeah, none of
That looks high
chintzy
tech.
plastic. And then we got real shift cables
Whoa.
that won't break on me.
Shift cables.
Yep.
So how is this going to enhance the Cayman?
It'll make it just much tighter, much more race car-y.
So is this what you wanted me to help install?
Yes. This and some other things. We have other things coming too that I'll need help with. But this right here means I have to pull out the entire center console, throw out the garbage stock OEM shift assembly, slap this bad boy in there.
So what I'm hearing is that I actually don't want to help with this because that sounds like a big job.
I just need your help pointing the camera in the right direction.
I can do that.
But guys, I cannot wait for this. So this will probably be in a video very, very, very soon. And I got some custom ideas of how I want to install this. We'll see if I can put those into action now. Yeah.
Sweet. Ooh, this is some pretty intense camo.
Yeah.
I like the color scheme.
Very, very cool.
And I didn't touch this one at all, so props to...
Oh, you're filming. What's up, guys?
Yes.
Yeah, it's turning out really good, huh?
Yeah, I like
signature geometric camo.
Nice. So this is the rest of your evening?
Yep.
All right, well, I will take over ending the video since Clayton's got his hands full. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next video because I think it might be the reveal of the Ferrari, even though there's not much to reveal.
And Cayman mods.
I guess. So hope you guys enjoyed this video and we'll see you in the next one.
Peace.